In this video, I'm excited to reveal a revolutionary SuperTrend indicator on TradingView, built to offer highly accurate and timely trading signals. It's a must-watch, as I'll guide you through the entire video, showcasing not only the strength of this new indicator, but also sharing a highly profitable trading strategy based on its insights. Make sure to stay tuned until the end to learn and apply this valuable approach to trading. So I'm in TradingView, and this is what our chart is going to look like when we're done setting up our indicators. The strategy I'm going to show you today is very simple to understand, but very accurate. I'm going to be using a Bitcoin chart on a 15-minute time frame to explain this strategy. Now I'll quickly cross out these indicators so I can explain their settings from the beginning. First of all, to add this amazing indicator to our chart, we will click on Indicators tab, and we will search for Standardized SuperTrend Oscillator, and then add this one created by Quanti Luxi. So this is the new SuperTrend indicator, and instead of overlaying on the price chart like older versions, this one is added here below the chart because it's an oscillator. And as you can see, it's moving above and below the center line, which is 0. By transforming the original SuperTrend into an oscillator, this indicator offers both of trend following capabilities and mean reversion capabilities. This means besides helping us with trends like the original version, it also helps us to identify potential reversals based on overbought and oversold conditions. As you can see, we have different components here in this indicator. I'll explain them now, and after that, I'll teach you a very accurate trading strategy based on this indicator. So make sure you don't miss it. As you can see, we have Heikin Ashi candles here, and this is actually a SuperTrend oscillator. A SuperTrend that is standardized and it's shown like Heikin Ashi candles by default. Let's open the settings of this indicator. In the settings, we can change the style of the oscillator. If you set it on line, you will just have a smooth line. But when you set it on candles, you will have Heikin Ashi candles. This style is more suitable when you need more information about the market, for example, when you want to know exactly when the momentum is changing or similar things. By the way, if you don't feel like analyzing prices yourself, you can join my free Telegram group. Here I share daily the buy and sell positions I open. The link is in the description below this video. Consider you are using this indicator in a trend following strategy and you want to enter in the pullbacks. So these candles help you to know exactly that. When it's green, it means a pullback is probably forming, and it lets you know when the pullback is ended, and you can enter a trade here. Now let's change the style of the SuperTrend oscillator to line. We can do that in the settings in the style section. For now, I'm just explaining the indicator, and this is a more clear view of the indicator. So this white line with green and red shadows is our SuperTrend oscillator, and like any other oscillators, when it crosses the center line, it can be a signal for changing in the trend. When it crosses below the center line, it is a signal of a downtrend, and when it crosses above the center line, it's a signal of an uptrend. But during the times that the market is flat, or a range market as we call it, like here in this part, just like any other oscillators, we can have false centerline crossovers or signals. If we open the settings again, we have already seen this option of the Heikin Ashi source. And during this flat market, when I turn it on, you can see how it reduces the false signals. We will keep this option on, because by doing so, we will have a smoother oscillator line. Other than these white lines, which is SuperTrend oscillator, we have red lines and blue lines. These are the SuperTrend of the SuperTrend oscillator. If you don't need it and you find them distracting, we can turn it off in the settings, but we need it for our strategy. Here for the contrarian signals, we will set it on both options. This will enable both buy and sell signals. When it becomes red, it is a sell signal, and when it becomes blue, it's a buy signal. These signals are faster than the center line crossovers. We will use these signals in our strategy. We also have these yellow lines, which are known as reversion tracer. These are based on RSI, and they provide dynamic threshold for overbought and oversold areas. If you are looking for a free NFT or a portion of $1 million prize money, quickly check out the link below this video. You see, my favorite crypto exchange Bybit is celebrating its 5th anniversary and is therefore giving away awesome prizes, free NFTs, iPhones, and much more. Quickly press the link in the description. The celebration is due on 25 December, so don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. In the settings of the indicator for reversion signals, if you turn on both options, this indicator will show overbought and oversold signals when the oscillator goes beyond these levels. I didn't find them very useful, so we'll turn them off. The buy and sell signals given by this indicator are accurate, but still it is not a good idea to use it on its own. So to filter these false signals, we will click on Indicators and we will search for MACD, and then add this one to the chart. First of all, let's quickly modify the settings for this indicator. We will change the fast length to 100, and for the slow length, we will set it at 200. And for signal smoothing, we will set it at 50. And then here for the time frame, we will set it on a higher time frame than our chart time frame. Right now, we are on a 15-minute time frame, so we will set it on 1 hour time frame. After this, we will access the Style section. We will remove MACD line, and also the signal line. And for the appearance of the histogram, we will set it on the area option. This indicator shows us the overall trend of the market on a higher time frame when it's green. The overall trend of the market is upwards. And when it's red, the overall trend of the market is downward. Now, our chart is completely set. So let's go through the complete rules for entering a buy and sell trade using this strategy. So for a buy trade to be valid, the rules are really simple. We will wait for the SuperTrend indicator to give a buy signal. After that, we will confirm this signal with the help of the MACD indicator. And the MACD indicator should also be green in color. So if all these rules are fulfilled, we can open a buy trade. We can set our stop loss at the recent swing low. And the take profit target should be set at 1.5. Now let's see if the market will hit our target or not. I hope you have understood the rules for this strategy. Now let's see if we can find another example. As you can see, this strategy is very easy to understand. Here we can see we got a buy signal and the MACD histogram is also green. So we can open a buy trade here. I will open a buy position here following the money management rules. I hope you guys have understood the rules for entering a buy trade. Now let's go through the rules for entering a sell trade using this strategy. If you don't want to analyze prices yourself, you can join my Telegram group to get free buy and sell signals. The link is in the description below this video. So the rules for entering a sell trade are exactly the opposite. First of all, we will wait for our SuperTrend indicator to share a sell signal. And then we will confirm this signal with the help of the MACD histogram. And for a sell trade, this histogram should be red in color. And these are the only rules that need to be fulfilled. So let's open a sell position here. Our stop loss will be placed at the recent swing high and the risk to reward ratio will remain the same. Now, let's see if the price will hit our target or not. Now let's go through one more sell trade example. Here we can see we have got a sell signal, and it is confirmed by the MACD histogram as it is also red in color. So we can open a sell position here. I hope you guys liked this strategy. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel so I can share more amazing strategies with you. Thanks for watching the video till the end. I'll see you guys in the next video.